Hello guys, welcome back, and if this is your first time here, my name is Noemi. I am going to start with just pulling out all the decorations that I have for Christmas, and this was at night time because I was getting ready to do this the next day. This is something I made a few years ago and I was planning to do with my friends, but I think I have to postpone this for the next year. But for now I can't help it, I wanna see my ornaments. Okay, I have some things in here that I don't wanna show yet because I wanted to create something that everybody can have. I don't wanna pick one person to have a gift for Christmas, so I'm still working on that. I don't wanna reveal it yet. Hopefully in my next video. If not in my next video, definitely the upcoming, sometimes in the next few weeks video, I will have this and I can share this with you guys. This is my favorite. When I open the box and I'm just seeing the decorations after a long time. Though I've got a few little trees this year and the wooden houses, and lots of you guys have been asking about those, and those are from Target and it was very inexpensive. I think it was $3 or $5 for 4 or something like that. I don't know how many years ago it was when I wanted to have little wooden houses and I wanted to create them, but the machine that can cut them out, they are just so expensive, so I couldn't do that. And that's how I got into this cute paper decorations and garlands that I made. It's gonna be so much fun. Calm down, Noemi, just one by one. You don't have to pull out the whole entire thing in 1 minute, but it's so much fun. So this is basically just a chalk marker. Oh, you don't see that, don't you? There you go. So it's just a white chalk marker, and I just love this because that's the only thing I have to store, and basically all my windows are covered with decoration wise, and I can wash them up very easily because I'm getting that question too. How hard is to clean it, and it's very easy. Also, when you make these stars, which is a snowflake in that case, if you make it into a different sizes, it will look more realistic, gives the feeling that it's snowing outside. Oh my god, that's just lovely, like a Scandinavian, I don't know, I'm looking for words.
Angel.
You nailed that. Okay, so you can do in a few different ways, and one of them you can just put all of them next to each other, so that will give you a more clean look if you want to do a more simple one. But if you want to have more depth to it, you can just place every second one a little bit farther on the back, so it gives you a little bit more dimension to it. So it's up to you which one you prefer. And also I'm going to put some light behind it. Also, if you have the taller ones on the middle and you have the shorter ones on the side, it's just easier on the eyes.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little your present shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on.
To keep things simple, at the entrance I'm just going to add these little bells to my greenery. So throughout the year I have this green one, so it's good on the summer, on the spring, and on the winter, and I can just add the color that goes with the season.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door we talked.
I don't really use this during the year, so it made sense to me just to keep it with the Christmas stuff, because that's the only time I use them.
We knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on.
Today is a new day and I am going to start the cleaning and decorating in this room. This is our bedroom, and this year I picked a very calm theme. I definitely wanted to use some red because I think it's very Christmassy, and also I wanted to keep it very calm and simple. So after I have to clean it up, or as we have to function in this room, I don't want to knock off things.
Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year.
Okay guys, just to clarify, I don't make my bed this fancy every single day, but since I thought I am going to decorate this room, I wanted to give an extra in there. So no, this is not how I do my bed every day, but today I just really wanted to make it nice.
We're together all the way, oh, we're falling in love. To me, it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us. We're falling in love.
About a month ago, we went up to the mountains, and on the side of the road, I find this dried flower, or I think it was a flower at some point. Now it dry, so I just picked them up, and this is what I use in this room as a decoration, and I love that it's tall and narrow, so it's perfect for this room. And now I'm just going to use my itty bitty ornaments. These are super small. I think it's meant to be just a decoration on a gift or something, but I got them a long time ago, probably even before my boys were born. They are that old. And I just like to use them as a decoration.
For us, we're falling in love.
I I don't have any pillowcase that is kind of Christmassy, and I wanted to have some red color in here, so I just use this. I think I sewed this as a bag, so when we travel I can put things in there, but it works perfect now. And I also made this paper garland, and I love to use this because I can just use a little tape and it's super easy to decorate with that. And also I can just store them on a flat tiny place. Also, I was playing around with this one. I shared this last year in my other decorating video, and I thought I could use this around that jar that I put this dried flower in, but I decided it was a little bit too much, so I just took it off, and then I'm just going to use it somewhere else in the house. If I remember well, I've got these from IKEA a few years ago. These are just sewed little mushrooms, and I'm making a garland out of it by looping one into the other one, so it's super easy. So I can just use them as is by themselves, but I like to create sometimes something different with that, and this year I created this garland. And also I have some green leaf that I used with my pumpkin decoration. Now I'm going to just reuse it and stick it in there, and it just adds more life to it. I not generally loving the green color, but I admit it definitely looks better with some green. We just replaced our doors, and I didn't want that to ruin the paint on it. So instead of putting something on the door, I just used the tape, and I used a little bit of a yarn, and I'm just going to fix that on top of the door on the edge, and that will hold this wreath. A quick reset in the kitchen. I'm cleaning up after making the breakfast, and I'm starting the lunch. I picked a very easy food, taco, because I can make it very fast and everybody loves it in the family.
walking around, feeling free, thinking about what's happened to me from July up till now. Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad you feel it too. Nothing to hide, falling in love. To me it's perfectly clear, we're falling in love. It's true, this part of the year has something in store for us.
For next, I am going to decorate this windowsill, and again it's the kitchen, so I'm trying to keep it simple. The main decoration is always in the living room, and I have a little bit in the bedroom and in the kitchen, but nothing crazy there. So I picked some greenery from outside, and I'm going to use these cute mushrooms that I ordered from Amazon, and I just really love mushrooms. If you've been here on this channel, you know that. That's a fact. I just love them. I love the red popping color, and they just, I don't know, they look happy. So I matched that and covered that area with some greenery where I clipped them on, and I just used the lid of the jar.
There we go.
The kids pretty much enjoy all the shiny things and sparkly things, so this is something we're going to put in their room. So we're trying to just go with the decoration that everybody loves in the family. So we each have some favorite, and this is for the kids, something that is sparkly. I have more to come, and also sometimes we like to change around the decoration, but I can guarantee you that there's gonna be more Christmas related videos. And if you enjoyed this one, don't forget to subscribe or share it with your friends or family, because it helps my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!